Hello my dear children, welcome back to our class. Today we are going to study geography. You know, geography is all about our earth. So today we will learn the first chapter of geography, that is environment. In this chapter, you will get to know what is environment, the components of environment, the spheres or domains of environment, or ecosystem and human environment. So first of all, we will discuss about the meaning of environment. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides us the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. So it is a combination of natural and human-made phenomena. And you know, the word environment derived from a French word environner, meaning neighborhood. In that sense, whatever we see in our surroundings makes the environment. For example, our school, our playground, the roads, the mountains, the river, the trees, animals, etc., etc. But there is a difference here. Some objects are made by nature and some others are made by people. That is what we are going to discuss the components of environment. They are natural environment, human-made environment, and human environment. This natural environment consists of two main components. Abiotic or physical environment, that means the world of non-living elements. Then is the biotic or biological environment, that is the world of living organisms. So both biotic and abiotic components together consist the natural environment. That means we can say that environment is the sum of biotic and abiotic component. Now let us move on to the next topic, the spheres or domains of natural environment. You are familiar with the meaning of these domains, is it? Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere from your previous class. So let us learn about in detail. Let us see lithosphere. It is a solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered with a thin layer of soil. And it has various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. It is this domain that provides us forests, grasslands, land, and human settlements. Then next is the hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies like seas, rivers, oceans, etc. Then the third one is the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. It protects us from the harmful rays and heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in the weather and climate. The last domain is the biosphere. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. That means the biosphere is a collection of all Earth's life forms. So these are the domains of natural environment. Our next topic is the ecosystem. The physical environment comprising of all living organisms within it is called ecosystem. An ecosystem may be the whole earth consisting of its physical and biological system, or it may be small like a lake or a pond system. It is thus such a unit in which all biotic organisms interact with abiotic environment. Here you can see a simple presentation of ecosystem. Try to find out more examples. Now let us discuss our last topic. Human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. They learned to grow crops, domesticate animals, and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented. Surplus food was produced. And barter system emerged. You know what is barter system? It's a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. Transportation became faster and information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. Why does man modify his environment? Human beings cut forests to grow crops, to build houses, roads, industries, airports, stadiums, etc. And man stops the natural flow of river to get electricity and water. Most of the human activities change the natural environment. Human activities, transportation, industries polluted the environment, and any kind of pollution degrades the environment. The existence of human beings are in danger now, and we all are suffering the consequences. The current situation is one such example. Despite this, we celebrate one day for our environment. Do you know? Every year, World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June to spread awareness, to encourage people to take action and to protect the environment. And we also plant saplings on that day. Is that enough? What do you think? How to save our natural environment? What can we do for that? I leave this question to you. Let me know your answers. Think about it. Thus our chapter is ended here. Then let us recall what we discussed today. First of all, we learned what is an environment. The people, place, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Then we learned the components of environment: natural, human and human-made. Then we discussed about the domains of natural environment: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Then there is the physical environment comprising of all living organisms. Within it is called ecosystem. And lastly, we discussed about the human environment and human activities. Hope you all understood, and don't forget to write the main points while watching the video. Thank you and have a good day.